Let's open some Disney Doorables Series 6. I am trying to complete my collection. We will start off with these top two, and these are the ones that I still need. I need 29 more, so let's hope that I don't get any duplicates. Had to double check, but these are not duplicates, so let's open them up because they will be going in my collection. We've got Flounder, and we've got Roo. Off to a good start. Let's hope these next two are not duplicates as well. And we got Ursula, and she's not a duplicate, so let's open her up. And we got Winnie the Pooh, and do I need him? Yes, I need him as well, so he's not a duplicate either. We're off to a great start, so let's mark these off. No duplicates this round, so let's keep it going.